It's a rainy Sunday in 2029. You walk into your kitchen and hear a familiar voice. Wash your hands first, and don't overcook the garlic. It's your grandmother, or rather her AI-trained twin, built from voice notes, recipes, photos, and old video calls. She lives in your kitchen assistant now, not just her cooking, but her quirks. The sayings, the timing, the eye roll when you forget the bay leaves. Tonight, you're making her Sunday stew. Stir slowly. Remember how we'd hum together? A video plays. You, age 7, beside her at the stove. You smile, you hum. As you plate the stew, serve it with crusty bread, just like Grandpa liked. The food is real, the memory enhanced. Your kitchen has become a portal to the past, powered by code, steeped in love, and seasoned with identity.